In a lively pueblo in Mexico, little Maya loved helping her Abuela Rosa in the kitchen. One morning, Maya woke up to the delicious smell of fresh tortillas. "Abuela, can we make something special today?" she asked, rubbing her sleepy eyes. Abuela Rosa smiled. "Today, we are making guacamole with totopos, crispy tortilla chips. But remember, good food takes patience." Maya's eyes sparkled. "I love guacamole. But why do I need patience?" Abuela Rosa chuckled. "You'll see, my Nina." Abuela placed a stack of corn tortillas on the table. "First, we cut them into triangles." Maya grabbed a knife and started cutting. But, oops, some triangles were too big, some were too small, and one looked like a lopsided star. Abuela laughed. "Cooking is not just about taste, my Nina. It's about balance. Try making them the same size so they cook evenly." Maya slowed down, carefully cutting the tortillas into even pieces. Then, she brushed them with oil and salt before placing them in the oven. Maya turned to Abuela. "Are they ready now?" Abuela shook her head. No. They need time to turn golden and crispy." Maya groaned. "I don't like waiting." Abuela Rosa just smiled. "Patience, Maya. While we wait, we make the guacamole." Abuela brought out 2 big avocados. "First, we must mash these." Maya grabbed an avocado, but as she tried to scoop it out, her hand slipped, splat. The avocado fell right onto the floor. "Oh no!" Maya gasped. "Now we don't have enough." Abuela Rosa stroked her chin, then smiled. "There's always a way to fix a problem, my Nina. We can use what we have and make the best of it." Maya sighed, but picked up the second avocado. She carefully scooped it into the bowl, then mashed it with a fork. Abuela handed her a lime. "Squeeze this in for flavor." Maya squeezed hard, but a seed fell into the bowl. "Oops." Maya fished it out and laughed. "Cooking is harder than I thought." Abuela Rosa winked. "It takes practice, just like everything in life." They added salt, tomatoes, onions, and cilantro, then stirred. Maya tasted it and frowned. "It's good, but something is missing." Abuela handed her a spoon. "Try waiting a little while. The flavors need time to blend." Maya groaned. "More waiting?" Abuela Rosa nodded. "Good things take time." Ding! The oven timer rang. The totopos were ready. Maya pulled out the golden, crispy chips and let them cool. Then, she picked one up and scooped a big chunk of guacamole onto it. As she took a bite, her eyes widened. Crunch! Creaminess! A burst of lime! "Delicioso," she cheered. "You were right, Abuela. Waiting made it taste even better." Abuela Rosa smiled. "See, Maya. Patience always brings the best rewards. Whether it's cooking, fixing a mistake, or waiting for a dream to come true, good things take time." Maya grinned. "Then I will try to be more patient, but only if we make more guacamole tomorrow." Abuela Rosa laughed, pulling her into a big hug. That day, Maya learned 2 important lessons: patience makes everything better, and mistakes can always be fixed, especially in the kitchen. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.